Welcome friends, welcome to step-by-step tutorial. Today we will understand calcium fluoride crystal structure. So its chemical formula is equal to CaF2, that is calcium fluoride. So calcium ions occupy the FCC, that is face center cubic lattice positions, whereas fluoride ions occupy the 8 tetrahedral positions in FCC unit cell. So if this is a cubic unit cell and we have this red circle indicates the calcium ions, so these calcium ions will occupy the FCC positions, that are 8 corners are occupied by these calcium ions. So all of the 8 corners occupied by these calcium ions, and we have atom at the center of each face. So you can see we have atom at the center of each face. Now if we join the 3 face atoms to the 1 corner atom, as you can see in this figure, so 3 face atom, that is back face, top face and left hand face, to the 1 corner, so we get a void here. So if this blue circle indicates the fluoride ions, so this fluoride ion will occupy this void. So we will have similar void near each corner. So these 8 fluoride ions will occupy these 8 tetrahedral voids. So as clear from figure that one fluoride ion is surrounded by 4 calcium ions. So to find out how many fluoride ions surround calcium ion, we have drawn these 8 cubes. So now we will place calcium ions at the FCC position in a cube which is colored as green. So the calcium ion occupies all the corners and center of all faces. So at each face we have 1 calcium ion. So if we join these 3 face atoms, that is back face, top face and right hand face, so and then we join these 3 face atoms to 1 corner atom, so we get a tetrahedral void here and there will be a fluoride ion. So this blue circle indicates fluoride ion. So we will have similar fluoride ion in each of these cubes. So there are total 8 cubes. So this 1 calcium ion will be surrounded by 8 fluoride ions, as you can see from this figure. So 1 calcium ion is surrounded by 8 fluoride ions. So number of ions per unit cell. So to find out number of ions per unit cell, we have contribution of 8 calcium ions located at corners is equal to 8 multiplied by 1 over 8. We multiplied by 1 over 8 because 1 corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell, so it comes out to be 1. Now contribution of 6 calcium ions located at faces is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 over 2. We multiply by 1 over 2 because a face atom is shared by 2 unit cell. So then total calcium ions is equal to 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Now contribution of 8 fluoride ions located at tetrahedral positions in FCC is equal to 8 multiplied by 1. So we get that ratio of calcium and fluoride ion is equal to 4:8, that is equal to 1:2. And thus we get the chemical formula is equal to CaF2. So other compounds with similar structure are as follows. So we have uranium oxide, similarly barium fluoride, an intermetallic compound of gold and aluminium, similarly lead and magnesium, similarly we have zirconium oxide. Please subscribe this channel to be updated with our future videos. Thank you.